Again, Harier from Chennai Rishi Academy, meeting you today through YouTube. Today I am going to share the wonderful acupuncture therapy. It was not familiar in India first 5 years back. It was very familiar in all other European and Chinese countries, but India was not that much familiar with this acute therapy. Really, it is a wonderful therapy. Quick, responding therapy. The cruciality can be easily curable. The chronic diseases can be easily controllable. It's a peculiar type of acupuncture system. It was introduced by Master Tung. Actually, he was a practitioner of TCM. Whole family is a practitioner of TCM. Whole family, it was a traditional family classical therapy of one family in China. Even his father also TCM therapist only. They have innovated this therapy and introduced within the family and practiced, got the good result. Master Tung was the person who brought out from his family and is established it. He got the training from his fathers, not from anybody. He is not actually a doctor. He was simple, what you can say, simple home-made product only. He made by his father professionally. And he has joined in a military and used this therapy for treat the soldiers there. In Second World War itself he has practiced it. He got the good result and got the experience, and he trained more than 30 students on his own practice. After to that, he requested his students to do some better research on acupuncture. Cancer, acupuncture for cancer. Generally in TCM, acupuncture methodology was not that much familiar for cancer treatment. But particularly in Master Tung, as per the master's request, the students have formulated a wonderful points to treat the cancer, and they got the good result also. Why this was happened means Master Tung was died due to cancer only. During his suffering period, he has requested his student to do the research on cancer. Finally, the product has came. Now it is familiar for all type of cancers. What is the students has done, master student has done? There was the teaching itself, the methodology of operating itself, disease wise. More than 600 diseases they have categorized, and they have prescribed the protocol for that also. These protocols are very useful, and it gives wonderful results. Even the major talking disease like diabetic, heart diseases, obesity, all will take care by these master tongue points. It has separate segments. We have to go from the basic to advanced, and there is a special categories like Dharma. Dharma is also there. Dharma is the wonderful. Then Dr. Richard has formulated balancing method. He is also TCM. Dr. Ton Richard. He is a master of TCM, master of acupuncture, master of Tung Acupuncture. Then he have formulated Tan, Tan balancing formula. All are based on the acupoints only, but the formula of treating protocols are different. It is also very effective for pain management. Very effective for pain management. I am going to take that balancing method also continuously. My videos will be like that. First, I want to introduce what is tongue, how it is workoutable, how it has to be practiced. Then, I want to introduce some methodology and a needling type, how the points has to be get selected, where to select, how to apply, and what is the difference between TCM and the Master 2. And finally, disease discussion and its protocol. Treatment protocol of Master Tung and Tan balancing method. This is my syllabus for Master Tung Acupuncture. We will start with the basic. Actually, there is some difference between TCM and Master 2. TCM all majorly depend upon the meridian pathway. In Tung, there is no meridian pathway. There are the segments of body ranges has been formulated. Each range will have some certain points, and the certain points will take care of the disease, and we will formulate the protocol from the ranges. That ranges also I will discuss later. Today class only the introduction also. Range means this area will be one range. This and palmar side and dorsal side both together become a one range. This will be one range. Okay? There is no particular point in front and back. Free. Leg will have a separate range. Understood? It is like that. But wonderful points are there to treat the chronic diseases. Even a palmar side or dorsal side of the palm. It is not and, it is a palm. Palm alone is a range. We are going to discuss that all also. Apart from that, the needling type is very different. In in TCM, each and every points is have a prescribed needle size. It is half an inch or 1 inch, 1 inch or 2 inch or 2.5 inch or 4 inch or up to 6 inch we can go in TCM. But Master Tung, maximum we require half an inch to 1 inch, or most probably 1.5 inch in the thigh area. Not more than that is required. And needling type is something different. Why? What is the difference between the needling size from TCM to Tung? Originally, TCM protocols and treatment gets activated through tissues and muscles in TCM. In Master Tung, the treatment is happening via bones. Bone as treating the disease. As like a meridian, when we put the meridian needling or points meridian points needling, it will activate, stimulate, energize or do the sedations, and the effect will go via nerves, muscles and tendons, tissues. But in Master Tung, when we treat the points, when we give the treatment through the Master Tung point, it will work on through bones and bone marrows. So mostly the effectiveness of the needling will be, the needling should touch the bone. It should touch the bone. Then its effectiveness is very more. Excellent effectiveness will be there. And still more we can discuss also on this point. There is no Tai Chi is there. Tai Chi is not there. There is any stimulation is not there. Sedation is not there. Just given location, prescribed point, you can put a needle. That's all. It will take care. Understood? Body will take care. How long this needle should be there? Maximum we can hold it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is sufficient for chronic diseases. 10 minutes is for acute diseases. What all the disease can be curable? Mostly all. As per my experience, I have treated a lot of diabetic, kidney related problems, backbone related problems, cervical problems, and mostly the scalp area problems. Distantly, all the points are distant. This is also one segment. Obesity, gynecological problem, infertility for both female and male. Lot of diseases we have covered under this treatment. Master Tung points. All treatment requires some discipline in the diet. The discipline in the diet will take care very fast curing. That is very, very important. When I talk about the diabetic, it's a wonderful control. Cure, I can't say it is a cure, since it is not a disease. Control. Diabetic get controlled by Master Tung Acupuncture, and the paralysis also very much effective under these protocols. Male fertility, male fertility, there is ejaculation problems and erection problems, all are get controlled. There is a lot of thigh range points are there. It will take care infertility issues of male and female. We are not going to have a CV or GV area needling as in TCM, but we have a wonderful protocol points in thigh area. It is very effective, very effective. Even I have a practical slide, I will try to put the slides also, videos also. Apart from that, it is very easy to understand. There is no very technical study of meridian pathway or meridian points, this and that. Only as like that in TCM, We should know the sun measurement and control over your measurements and find the exact location of the points on the range. Very simple. And as per my experience, lot of people is practicing now. I have tried more than 700 people all over India. Not little bit, but up to Andhra and Karnataka we have done lot. Most of the people now using the tongue points on the name of TCM because it's very effective. They are not revealing that is the tongue point, but they are doing it on their own points like this. But it is the tongue point. We easily understood it is a tongue point. We are going to discuss on this range wise by next video, how the ranges are getting separated. I have a wonderful slides for that. As like our original formula, teaching formula, we are going to have a slide and a discussion also. And practicals I try to put it later because I need a demo people and other things. Anyhow, I am going to do that also. My first intention is all people should know about Master Tung Acupuncture. That will fulfill my ambition on Master's love. And moreover, you will easily understand the theory part through this YouTube. Practical part also it is possible. I will try to put in a different way. Anyhow, my intention to teach all the therapists, new or old, experienced therapists. But we have to cooperate, and if you like this, you can put a like mark, and if you are interested to view continuously, try to subscribe it. You will get all the messages of my new videos. You will get it fastly. Put a bell button on and keep rocking on your knowledge improvement. Thanking you. This is Professor Arier from Chennai. Jai Hind.